This is Toren's lunch. 4 grilled cheese. Are you hungry, Toren? See how long it takes him to eat 4 grilled cheese.
Sometimes there's contribution, and kids need to learn that as well. Thanks for being here today. So long.
So it's been 5 days, and I have decided to take the help that Dr. Phil has offered me. I have so many emotions running through me right now. I'm very happy, but I'm also scared, nervous, and sad to be leaving my family. But I know it's for the best, and that's why I can't wait. I can't wait to be able to come home to my family and just be me again, for my children, for my husband, and for myself. I'm just so thankful, Dr. Phil, for this help. Thank you so much for everything.
We would like to thank Dr. Michael Barrett and the staff of the Center for Change in Orem, Utah, for the treatment Jennifer is receiving there since deciding to seek help for her illness. Now, Center for Change is one of the most reputable eating disorder facilities in the country. Thanks for being here. So long.
It's just about done. 1.5 minutes in. That would be number 2 out of 4.
You want to keep the baby so the family can raise the baby, right? This is going to be a changing day in your life. It matters to you. That's what I want to talk about. Let's do it. It is impossible to walk past a magazine stand these days without seeing the face of one of these young women splashed all over the world. Suddenly, teen pregnancy has become this pop phenomenon.
3 minutes in. He is finishing up his 2nd grilled cheese. Okay. Moving on to number 3 out of 4. Probably getting annoyed, like, why is my mom doing this? So that everybody knows that I do feed him.
Let's hear how the news has caused turmoil in this family.
I did tell my husband when we said our vows, when we got married, that it was for better or worse, and this is the worst.
I was stunned and shocked. Very quickly, I think we went into emergency containment mode.
From the moment I found out I was pregnant, I knew right away there was nothing else in the change my mind, that I was going to keep this baby.
I'm concerned that
No
we
pauses in the
are
video.
responsible for this baby, financially and otherwise.
Right away, he
Continuous
said,
recording, 3 minutes 47 seconds.
but keeping the baby really was not in his plans at all.
She's not ready to be the mother of a child.
Finishing up
I'm supporting
number
her
3
and supporting her decision.
and heading back in. To get number 4. Just to make sure that mommy doesn't steal it.
I'm just afraid of how they react. I'm feeling unimportant and unwanted. I feel like everything's going to be in his house.
4 minutes and 20 seconds. He's eaten 3 grilled cheeses. Number 4 is in his hand.
Why are we here today?
With Emily being pregnant, it's caused a huge rift in our family. Her decision to keep the baby. My husband and I don't agree.
Tore's a hungry boy. Mommy doesn't malnourish you and famish you, do I?
It's a bad idea.
Are you famished?
to keep this baby. Absolutely.
Poor thing. Mommy doesn't feed you, do I?
That I want to support my daughter and whatever her decision is. And her decision to keep the baby, I feel like I need to be there to back her up and to be someone going on during this process.
Is she qualified to make this decision?
I know that she's young, I know that she's immature, and I know that, you know, I've been, right now, I feel like it's my
5 minutes, 13 seconds. He has almost finished 4 grilled cheese.
as her mother to kind of get her qualified and get her ready.
Have you had a reality
Oh,
lesson
look.
with her about what
Good job, buddy.
I've kind of gone over the logistics of the cost and, you know, what this entailed, and made it very clear to her that her decision to keep the baby, that she's not running off to go to support, that she's
He's getting his cup because after 4 grilled cheeses, he's a little thirsty. Less than 6 minutes. This child just finished 4 grilled cheeses. Good job, bud.